Chocbox, the safe and simple solution to protect and insulate electrical connections. The original was backed by the Dragons. Now, we've taken the best product on the market and made it even better. That's right, introducing Chocbox 2. Whether you're working on electrics in your own home or on a commercial project, the Chocbox is your perfect solution for mess-free wiring. Make electrical connections easily, safely and neatly in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Once connected and installed, no maintenance is required, saving you time and money in the future. Designed to meet IEE regulations, it's the perfect cover, junction box or inline connector.